Welcome back to our 3R series. 3Rs are reuse, reduce and recycle. Children, we often drink soft drinks or juices in the cans, isn't it? But after that, what is the use of the can? We just throw them and it turns into a trash. So today I am going to show you how we can recycle the cans. Over here I have taken a can, a sheet of white paper, some paper cutouts, some mud and some glue. So let's get started. I am going to cover this can with this white sheet of paper. I'll just turn it round, apply some glue and stick it. I'm applying some glue and sticking this paper. Like this. Now I have taken some more paper cutouts to make a cute face. Let's see what it turns to. One this side and the other side. So children, what are we making? These are the ears. Now, as we have made the ears, next we are going to stick the eyes. Over here, I have taken a black paper cutout. Again, I am applying some glue and sticking it. We'll press it like this. Same with the other eye. Again, I'll apply some glue and stick like this. Now, we are going to stick the nose. So children, see, isn't it looking so cute? Now, what can we do with this? We are going to make a plant pot. See, over here I have got some mud. Now I am going to add some mud to this can. So children, I filled this entire can with the mud. Now I am going to plant this sapling into it. Watering this regularly, it will turn into a big plant. So children, with this activity, we got the double benefit. We reused the can and also planted a sapling, which will turn into a big plant. Make our earth more green. So children, do plant more trees. Thank you.